Hi guys. So every hour, 10 bodyweight squats for 14 hours is equivalent to 14,000 steps a day. It controls blood sugar levels, cravings, and makes sure na good circulation tayo at napupunta sa muscle, lalo na kung nag-workout tayo at di siya naging stored fat. So ganito yung bodyweight squats. Ito nyo hanggang baba, diba? Shoulder width apart. Inhale, babang-baba. Kasing baba, squat down. Pwedeng parang relaxed pose. Nagpupupo, pero nasa glutes nyo. Ulitin natin, ha? Ito naman. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So, yun. I hope nakatulong sa inyo. Tama kayo, mali ako. I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy, guys.